Most people know Fieldstream Farm for the dazzling mile-long Christmas light show that draws thousands of visitors every year. But behind the 2 million bulbs and the winding drive-through trail is someone who prefers hard work to the spotlight. Lin Honeycutt is a lifelong entrepreneur from Raleigh, North Carolina. He's also a farmer, church leader, former mechanic, and volunteer of more than 30 years. His businesses, the Holiday Light Store, Fieldstream Farm, and previously, Honeycutt Transmission, are grounded in local values and personal grit. Lin didn't go the traditional route. Right after earning an associate's degree in auto mechanics, he launched Honeycutt Transmission. The shop became one of Raleigh's best-known auto repair businesses. In fact, Lin was once recognized as one of the top 10 mechanics in America, receiving a $10,000 award, a rare nod in the blue-collar trade. After over 30 years, he sold the business in 2019. Around 2010, Lin expanded his energy into a different kind of work, farming and events. He started Fieldstream Farm, a multi-use property where he grows hay and acres of tobacco, keeps 50-plus chickens, and rents out event space for weddings, reunions, and memorials. Now, the farm hosts over 50 events a year, many of them family-oriented or faith-based. Perhaps the most public part of Lin's legacy is his role as the owner of the Holiday Light Store, which opened in 2003. What began as a seasonal side business is now a nationally recognized Christmas lighting store that supports the Fieldstream Farm Christmas Light Show, a $20 per car event with traffic backed up around the block each December. The show features synchronized lights, themed displays, and a route that's become a holiday tradition for families across the Raleigh-Durham area. Beyond his businesses, Lin is deeply rooted in faith and volunteer work. He served as regional coordinator for the North Carolina Baptist Men for 19 years, and as Brotherhood Director for the Raleigh Baptist Association for 17 years. He retired from both in 2021, due to health concerns, but not before helping with disaster relief across 20 states and 4 countries. He's been on site after Hurricane Katrina, and when tornadoes hit Wake County in 2011. He's also built homes and churches overseas. He's held almost every role a church offers: deacon, Sunday school teacher, choir member, soloist, committee chair, and head cook. These days, Lin spends time with his wife of over 30 years, Cindy, their 2 daughters, and 3 grandchildren. When he's not working on the farm, he enjoys collecting cars, skiing, and managing the seasonal business. He supports St. Jude Children's Research Hospital and continues to be involved in charitable efforts when possible. Lin Honeycutt didn't build his reputation through branding, viral videos, or polished marketing. He built it by showing up, year after year, for his family, community, and faith. Whether it was in a transmission shop, on a mission trip, or setting up 2 million lights, he kept doing the work. The only secret I know, Lin says, is to keep going. Even when people doubt you. Even when it's hard. Especially then.